In this video, we want to look at how to process the expense invoice. We want to look at how to validate it, pay, and also run create accounting. So I'm going to select my invoices from the payables springboard. So let's select invoices. And I can actually search for the expense invoice by just clicking on the invoice number and then putting in the expense number, or I could look at it from the dashboard. So if I look at the dashboard, I would be able to see from the recent, this is the one that has just coming. But let me use the search to search for it. So click on search, and that's my invoice. You can see that it's not paid, it's not validated. So I can, if I wanted to, validate from here. So if I click on validate, and you can see that the status is now validated. It's not accounted for. So let me just open the invoice, and to do the accounting again, I can just select post to ledger to do the accounting from here. So let me select post to ledger, and I can view the accounting. So I can see my debit to my item expense and credit to my liability account. So click on done. So that's a very quick way of processing an invoice or payment request. It could be that the employee wants to be paid the amount immediately. So you would normally do that to do it. So let's save and close. And if I wanted to pay in full, let me just click on pay in full. And I can put in the bank account number, what I'm going to pay it from, Bank of America. Payment process profile. This is going to be a standard check because we're paying it by check. And we want to pay it to the office account. There's no bank account because it's a check, but it will require a payment document, which is the check number. And we're going to say use the next number because we already have a sequence enabled for our checks. And that would be the payment number, which would be this check number. So click on submit, and that payment would be created. So I'm going to click on done. You can see that now it's paid, it's accounted for, validated. And that's how to very quickly process an expense reimbursement. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.